Hello again, this is Shane with Safelink Internet Services and continuing the Agemni training, and this video will be on running reports. First we need to log in. I hope that you have set up a favorite to make it simple and easy to get to the Safelink portal. We're just going to log in with our username and password. Once we have logged in, we're just going to go to the very top tab for reports, and you'll see several different options. Now this is going to be just a basic overview of how to use the reports tab and the reports within Agemni. We are running a mock user, therefore we do not have a list of customers that we can go back in and we can run all of these reports on. So I'm going to give you a basic overview, but this should get you along well enough that you can run these reports with ease in the future. So first we're just going to focus on the holdbacks. Is not anything you would ever have to use, but the payroll is a tab that you should use. And you're going to see that you can run a payroll report by specific area if you're selling in our 3 different areas, or by a specific user. There will only be the one user for yourself, and we can run a date range. So we're just going to run a date range. You're not going to have anything in here that you can see, as it'll show no records, but typically it would just show you a list of all of the different customers that you have had that we have completed an installation on, and it would give you a status on whether those have been paid or whether it's a pending commission check that's going to be written. Under the production tab, click on production, and you can run production reports either by date or provider or just a typical production report. I like to run this report. This is the one I use the most often, and you can break it down by area, or you can break it down again by provider if you just want to see what commercial sales or residential sales that you've sold. We're going to do all providers, and we're going to run a date range from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. And here you will see the one customer that we set up, and you can actually expand it, and you can get a closer look. You'll see that it was a residential sale, family plan, and that there is a pending installation on the 13th. So we're waiting for that to be installed. If that had been completed on this date, then it would show you that had give you the status as completed and show you that you had a completed installation. Under this status tab, you can actually run reports based on status. So again, we can just go down to pending jobs, give it a date range, and you'll see there's a lot of other tools to break it down by rep, by areas, by providers, search by sale date or by install date. So this is a real handy page. We're just going to run this report, and again you're going to see the training video customer, and you would be able to see that it was sold on the 15th and is set to install on the 13th, and that was under the affiliate campaign. So that's just a brief overview of the reports that you can run in Agemni. I encourage you to get in there, play around with them, and get to know them very well. It will help you track and manage your business with Safelink, and it will help you to know what the status of your customers are. If maybe one of them canceled for a reason, you can stay on top of that, give them a call back, find out why they canceled, and see if you can save that customer. And anything that's been sold, then you'll know what's coming up. So if you have any questions, call our toll-free number, 888-692-5776. Ask to speak with a retail specialist, and they can talk you through any questions that you might have. Thank you for watching the Agemni training videos, and happy selling.